If you want to hide apps without uninstalling them on Android devices, hiding apps is a simple process. So first of all, let's talk about hiding apps from home screen. If you have an app and you don't want to see every day but want to delete it, many Android phones let you hide from directly from home screen. The exact steps may vary slightly depending on the phone or the launcher you are using, but the process is usually the same. Tap and hold on the app icon you want to hide until you see a menu pop up. For example, like that. You may see an option like remove from home screen or hide app. You can simply select hide app and app will no longer appear on your home screen, but don't worry. It's still on your phone and you can access it anytime through your app drawer or settings. Now let's talk about hiding apps completely using your app drawer. For many phones, you can hide apps from the app drawer, making them invisible in the list of your all installed apps. And to do that, you have to go to settings and find sections called apps or application. From here you can look for option called hide apps or app drawer settings. Once you are in, you'll see a list of all the apps on your device and you have to choose which ones to hide. And what if your Android phone doesn't have an option to hide apps directly? So for that you have to install a third-party application. For that you have to open Play Store and search for app drawer, and for example this one is a popular one. You can see details and install it. From here you can select any app you want to hide and it will be hidden from your Android home page, and you can even password protect them if you want. Now you know a few simple ways to hide apps on Android, whether you are just cleaning up your home screen or looking for extra privacy. Try it out and make your phone work for you, whether it's for deculturing privacy or just a bit of peace of mind.